I'm going to answer Science Grade 3, Unit 76 Comprehension question. What is a natural resource and where do they come from? Well, natural resources are something that people found in nature, and those things are necessary or useful to our life. And of course, the name natural resources, we can already see the word natural. So those resources came from the nature. Can you tell me an example of a resource that can be replaced quickly? What are these called? Well, an example of a resource that can be replaced quickly is wood. When a man cut the wood and bring them to make to make furniture or anything like this table to put the TV on, those trees are already been cut. But if the man that cut the tree plants a seed into the soil, for after 1 year, it will make another tree. So that is a kind of resource that will replace quickly. It's only 1 year. And those things that replace quickly are called renewable resources. Name 3 things that are never-ending resources. And why do we need to take care of them? Well, the 3 things that are never-ending resources is air, water, and sunlight, or we call solar energy. As you know, when we use this thing, like when we use the water, it has the water cycle. From a pond, a lake, a river, or whatever, the water evaporates into the cloud or make a cloud, and then they fall down into our earth as rain. And those cycle will continue and continue again for a fairly short time. So that is called renewable resources. It comes in a cycle and it will never end. And also, you can think about the solar energy too. The solar energy, as you know, we're using solar panels to collect very much energy into our house. And those energy, we use a lot already, but those energy did not run out, and they will never run out. But we still need to take care of that. As you know, the water and the air now in our earth is polluted. And maybe one day, if we don't take care of them, one day those resources that we really need will run out. And if without air or without water, human cannot stay long. So we need to take care and protect them. Don't make them be polluted more. What are non-renewable resources? And can you give 2 examples? Non-renewable resources are resources that when they run out, there will not be more. Or they are still renewable, but they take like decades or maybe centuries to get that resource to renew. So that is called non-renewable resources. And 2 examples of non-renewable resources are oil and minerals. Minerals, some kind of minerals like coal. Coal is like the dead plant that is inside the soil. And year by year, the soil press the water and soil press on those dead plants, and those dead plants become coal. Coal is very useful, and coal are mostly used to make energy in nowadays life. And also oil. Oil is very useful too. Oil, we use oil for like fuels in car, and oil are deep in the ground, and we need to dig very deep. We need very modern machines to dig very deep into the ground so that we can collect oil. And not all the places oil. So if these minerals, these things that we need ran out, we don't have more to use. What are non-renewable resources? Oh, this one is the same question, so I'll just skip it. Well, that's all about my video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.